It's really good for New Caledonia to have Australian, Singaporean, and New Zealand people alongside Japanese back into the country after the COVID time. It's really good to have them here the one day in the one place to create a bond.
This has been a fantastic workshop. Great opportunities to meet local suppliers here, find out more about things in New Caledonia, especially on Lifou as well. I think I'll definitely leave here with a lot of new experiences and maybe some new clients to bring here too.
It's amazing, yeah. I've really enjoyed meeting the people, talking about New Caledonia, seeing things, new things, trying new things. The food is amazing and the people are so friendly here. It's lovely.
And the workshop continues with a week-long EDUC tour for our international guests.